Which part of the flower develops into the fruit after fertilization? A. Sepals, B. Petals, C. Ovary, D. Stamen. Answer. Explanation. After fertilization, the ovary of a flower matures into the fruit. The ovules inside the ovary develop into seeds. The other floral parts, like sepals and petals, usually wither away. Question 2. What is the term for the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of the same flower? A. Cross-pollination, B. Autogamy, C. Gytonogamy, D. Xenogamy. Answer. B. Autogamy. Autogamy is the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of the same flower. It ensures self-pollination and leads to less genetic variation compared to cross-pollination. Question 3. In angiosperms, double fertilization results in the formation of a diploid zygote and what other structure? A. Endosperm, B. Seed coat, C. Embryo sac, D. Pollen tube. Answer. A. Endosperm. Explanation. During double fertilization in flowering plants, one sperm cell fertilizes the egg cell, forming a diploid zygote, and another sperm cell fuses with two polar nuclei, forming a triploid endosperm, which nourishes the developing embryo. Question 4. Which structure is responsible for the protection of pollen grains during desiccation and adverse conditions? A. Exon, intine, C. Endosperm, D. Nucellus. Answer. Explanation. The exine is the tough outer layer of a pollen grain. It protects the pollen grain from dehydration and harsh environmental conditions, allowing it to survive until it reaches the stigma. Question 5. What is the function of the micropyle in the ovule? A. Allows entry of pollen tube. B. Forms the seed coat. C. Develops into fruit. D. Helps in fertilization of the anther. Answer. Allows entry of pollen tube. Explanation. The micropyle is a small opening in the ovule through which the pollen tube enters to deliver the male gametes to the egg cell during fertilization.